I went back to Publix for the chicken tenders and a whole key lime pie. I have issues. So I got 2 subs the other day, and I was like, I do not need to be getting a whole thing of chicken tenders as well. I mean, that is my whole aesthetic, just to overorder, but look at me being responsible. Oh my God. Look at the size of those tenders. Oh my God. Are you guys kidding me? These they had just finished. And then of course I got mashed potatoes and country gravy. No wonder the pub sub is so good. I love gravy. I would lick it off someone. And then I got carrots because pretending to be a healthy girly. These are the most hearty chicken tenders I've ever seen. Like, yum. Is it just me, or like when you eat your chicken tenders, I need like a bite of the chicken tender, mashed potatoes, and gravy in one bite. Like when I eat my steak, I like having a bite of steak, mashed potatoes, and like béarnaise, hollandaise, peppercorn sauce. Like it's all gotta be in one bite. Like, I like when you eat a really good turkey sandwich, like I need like a jalapeno chip bite as well. That's so good. I'm gonna save these for dinner because I literally just had a whole lunch. Okay, one more bite. Yum. There are not chicken tenders at a grocery store in Dallas like this. The only chicken tenders that are semi-similar to this in Dallas, I would say Bubba's and Mike's Chicken. So, Publix, I need to duct tape my mouth shut. Jesus, what is wrong with me? I've never eaten before. Oh my God, I didn't even try them with ranch. That's how good the gravy mashed potatoes were. Okay. Dessert time. I must say I needed to try their key lime pie. I am obsessed with key lime pie. It's my dad's favorite dessert, so naturally it's my favorite dessert. So yeah, they didn't have a slice, so I got the whole pie. Sue me. I'm excited. Like, my intrusive thoughts are just like, I just want to pick it up and like take the whole thing out and just take a bite of it just to piss people off. That's where my head's at. Publix key lime pie. Whipped cream is great. I don't think I could get it out of there and hold it just to piss people off. I mean, I would go through great lengths to do it, but cut it and then hold it up and take a bite. Just do like a skinny girl piece. Come to mama. Come here, baby. Oh. Come here. There's the chicken tenders. Okay. Publix key lime. Hi, baby. Pretty damn good. Crust is perfect. It's not too, like the lime isn't too potent. Perfect for handheld. I need to not like eat for a couple days, but it doesn't usually go over well. All right. I like smash my face in it. Just kidding. I'm gonna save it for the rest of the week. 10 out of 10. Publix key lime pie. Also, this whole pie, how much would you guess this whole pie is? $9.99. It's like practically free. That's insane. In Texas, that would be like $18.99. And I'd still pay for it.